Starting a business comes with many different obstacles, from deciding what type of business you want to start, to finding the appropriate location, and then getting your finances in order. If you're considering starting your own bookkeeping business, this video will give you all the information that you need to get started. Things to consider before starting a bookkeeping business. Before starting a bookkeeping business, it's important to think about all of the necessary factors. First, consider your skills and qualifications. Take a look at what you've done in the past and whether or not this will help you create your new business. Also, you should consider the cost of opening a bookkeeping business, as well as your potential profits. It is also important to think about how much you are willing to put into this endeavor, especially if you need to work on other jobs while running your own bookkeeping business. What is the role of a bookkeeper? A bookkeeper is a business person that oversees the financial aspect of their company. They ensure all transactions are recorded accurately, and if there is any error or discrepancy, the appropriate changes are made to balance everything out. A lot of companies may not have someone on staff just for this task, which is why it's important for people to consider starting their own bookkeeping business. Requirements for becoming a bookkeeper. Before you can start a bookkeeping business, you must have some education and experience. You need to know how to work with accounts and inventory, as well as be comfortable taking instructions from your clients. In addition to these requirements, most businesses require that the person beginning the company has knowledge of basic bookkeeping principles and terminology. Types of work a bookkeeper can do. There are many different types of work that a bookkeeper can do, but there are three main categories. The first is the clerical work, where the bookkeeper does much of the same thing that other assistants do in small office settings or business. The second is accounting work, where the bookkeeper is responsible for keeping track of every aspect of a person's finances and balancing their checkbook. The third is auditing work, which details with ensuring that financial statements are accurate and that all receipts have been accounted for. Negotiating with vendors and upfronts. If you're in the business of selling a service and not products, you will need to negotiate with your vendors. You can negotiate pricing, payment terms, and other details with them. This could include negotiating an upfront fee or trial period. Creating financial reports for clients. If you're thinking of starting a bookkeeping business, then it is important that you have the proper training. You should start by enrolling in an accounting-related course to better prepare you for your work that will be involved. Once you complete this course, it's time to start learning about different types of financial reports and what each entails.